In this chapter, we'll go over edit mode. Blender has several different work modes, and one of them is edit mode. Right now we're in object mode. If you click the menu in the top left corner, you can switch between different modes. Alternatively, you can toggle edit mode on and off by pressing the Tab key. However, if you enabled Tab for Pie menu in the initial settings, pressing Tab will open the Mode Selection Pie menu. From here, you can also select Edit Mode. Now, after switching to edit mode, the first thing you'll notice is the change in the toolbar. Several new tools have been added below the Measure tool. I'll go over how to use them later, but first, let's take a look at the basics of edit mode. Mesh data consists of vertices, edges, and faces, and in edit mode, you can edit them individually. Let's start by activating the selection tool and clicking on a vertex in the mesh. Just like in object mode, we can select vertices. You can also use G, R, and S to move, rotate, and scale just like before. In the header menu, you'll see three icons that allow you to switch between vertex selection, edge selection, and face selection. You can also switch between them using the number keys. Press 1 for vertex selection, 2 for edge selection, and 3 for face selection. However, if you have Emulate Numpad enabled in the preferences, the numpad keys will be assigned to view controls instead. In that case, you'll need to click the icons manually to switch between selection modes. For example, if you select two adjacent vertices, that counts as selecting an edge. And if you select 4 vertices that form a flat surface, it's the same as selecting a face. Earlier, I mentioned that edit mode allows you to edit vertices, edges, and faces individually. Another key difference from object mode is that transformations made in edit mode become part of the object's default shape. For example, if you modify the shape like this and check the Object Properties panel, you'll see that the transformation values remain unchanged. This means that any changes made in edit mode are applied directly to the mesh itself, rather than affecting the object's overall transformation values in object mode. Keep this in mind as you work.